Hi, in today's video I want to show you how we can identify a pancreas imbalance and weakness in our iris. The pancreas plays a major role in the function of our body, mostly by aiding in the sugar metabolism by producing insulin and the production of digestive enzymes to aid in the breakdown of food matter. The most obvious sign we can find in an iris that is related to the pancreas is orange pigmentation, like we can see especially in this case and here very heavily. These can be inherited or acquired through our lifestyle. The more coloration we can see, the heavier the pancreas involvement. If the pigmentation is in the digestive zone inside of the collarette, like here, or here, or here, it indicates a lack of digestive enzyme production, and the person most likely experiences digestive disturbances like fermentation, bloating, abdominal pain after meals, constipation, or diarrhea. If the pigmentation is outside of the collarette, like we can see here, and here, and here, it indicates a lack of hormone production and thus a potential insulin deficiency, which can lead to sugar metabolism issues and diabetes. These people oftentimes also experience sugar cravings. A genetic weakness in the pancreas will show up as an opening or deeper, darker area in the iris, a so-called lacuna, like for example here or here. This indicates that this person is related to someone who had pancreas issues, and the deeper and darker the lacuna is, the more lazy and underactive the tissue function tends to be. A lot of times when we see heavy orange pigmentation and an additional lacuna in the pancreas zone, the person is related to someone who dealt with diabetes and has thus greater potential to develop the same symptoms if this person is not taking proper care of their lifestyle. On the other hand, if we choose to follow a holistically healthy lifestyle, these genetic predispositions can remain dormant and we pass on stronger and healthier genes to the next generation. Book your personal iridology reading at fruitfulsolution.com to learn more about your own body and how to support it in the most efficient and natural way to live a healthy and fulfilled life, physically, emotionally, and mentally. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.